Hello friends, in this video we are going to add cart API for the customer logged in. Okay, so let's begin with it. So we have already created the setup in the previous video. So let's move to the next one. So I'm just copying this control index. This time we have to be very much careful. I'm going to the add and we have the login API. Let's go to this namespace controller index. So we have controller index and we have app orders controller. We have the API is also in the index. Okay, so let's move to the next part. This is the basic context page for product cart session helper data we don't require. Let's check where this helper is required. I don't think so we require this helper we don't require this right now. Helper we don't require this. Okay, let's remove this also helper because it shows an error. Funnel params. Okay, we are taking the PHP input JSON format and we are extracting product ID, product not added. Okay, another else we have the another options. This is the checkout cart add product. This is the method where product and the final params go and the checkout cart save, and it will create the session of the code and it returns the cart item of that. Okay, so I think the API is ready. So let's try to test this API. Let's go to the compile area. Or let's do compile this. Now let's run the upgrade command. Now let's run the final commands. Okay, let's move to the postman. Let's copy this and add this. Make it post body raw JSON. Let's add the. Let's create a product first. Catalog products. So let's start adding the product, and after that we try to get the product ID in that, so that we can. This is product. Let's make the product name testing. SQ will be testing 345. Price would be 12. Quantity 22. In stock. Catalog search. Category it is not and default. And let's save it. Let's check what is the product ID of this, because we need to pass it. Okay, this is done. Let's first product ID is 1. Let's go to this and let's check product ID. Store ID should be 1, comma and comma, and quantity would be 1. So let's hit the API and let's see what the response is going on. This is add. Undefined index product in this index 45. Okay, so we are getting 45 line number. That's product param is not there, so I think from there they are getting products param. We should here it is getting product ID. So if I said request params and product ID, then definitely it will work, but rest it will work or not, because other one is from the product parameters. So let's make the array product. So I think it should be like this. Product. But let's make it simple. Remove all the, because we are adding the right now the simple products. And if the param quantity else product id is blank, it will says this error. If product is set super attribute, don't require it. Params options bundle, we don't require this also, that much also. So I'm going to remove this. It will says product. So what is the product? Funnel params product. What is product? Params product. Params product contain the product ID. If I says the product ID is one over here. No, no. Let's make it how it could be. Params product. So here we need to pass product underscore ID should be one, comma, and quantity be one. Okay, let's try to hit it. Operand should contain one column category where entity is one. Let's see in which product ID what they are sending. Product ID should be para products. Let's print the param. So here it's products params that should be extracted the product. Okay. So I think we don't require this one block. It should be product. So it's product and the quantity. Param product is basically product ID. So it will go and get the details. Let's see. I think it should work now. Success. So let's check whether this item is added to the login cart or not. Let's check. We have the already the cart of this one which is already logged in. So let's see cart has one item or not. It's empty right now. It says login. Okay, let's log in. Now right now it's nothing we have. So let's log in again in the postman with this username and ID. I'm logged in now. Let's add this to cart. Adding. Let's reload this page. The cart is empty. See, the one item is added into the cart. So this how we go to the home page. You directly go to the cart. and see one item is already added into the cart. So this how we can generate the API for the front end, and it automatically same process we can do with the front end, like the Magento website also. So by the Postman, we are able to add the cart into the add product into the cart via API in Magento 2. So if you have any query, so let us know. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any query, please comment and do like if you like my video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.